is biographical sketch. APJ Abdul Kalam in English. APJ Abdul Kalam is the 11th President of India. He is popularly known as Missile Man of India. His full name is Abul Pakir Zainul Abdul Kalam. He was a famous Indian scientist. He was born on October 15th, 1931 at Rameshwaram in Tamil Nadu. His parents were Zainul and Ashiyamma. He played a key role of evolution of ISRO's launch vehicle program and operationalization Agni and Prithvi missiles. Wings of Fire India 2020, a vision for the new millennium, my journey and ignited were some of his pursuits. Literary. He was awarded Bharat Ratna in 1997, Padma Bhushan 1990, Padma Bhushan 1981. He died on 27th July in Shillong, 27th July 2015 in Shillong of Meghalaya. Thank you.